Are you wondering if school is even worth it? Well, in this video, I'm going to discuss that, my view. If you're interested, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jemecia Capri, the nurse practitioner extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Hey guys, so listen, I had a question. Was 20 plus years of school worth it? Well, I'm not sure it was 20 plus years of school, but it was quite a bit. So I started school in 1996 and I finished in 2010. How many years is that, y'all? It's quite a bit. Anyway, do the math. So anyway, was it worth it? Well, yeah, it was. So some people start school, they finish school, they finish whatever school they're going to do. In this case, I want to talk about nursing school. They finish nursing school with their BSN and they do really well. Now, I want to say you guys probably BSN are coming out of school probably making 70 to 80,000 a year. Just a guess. I don't know 100% sure, but I know it's nice money. But for me, as you guys know, like from video to video, you guys are learning me and you guys kind of know that I'm a little bit money motivated. And I have two kids that I really didn't want to go through what I went through as far as school is concerned. So I just wanted to be there for them and pay for their school. Like, I just did not want them to stress out the way I stressed out. I still am paying for my loans and whatnot. So I wanted more money. And through the years, I found out that, you know, when I first started, after getting out of the military, I was in the Air Force. I got my, I was in dental and I was making probably at the time, because I'm a little bit older, but at the time I was making like $12 an hour. And so once I got my BSN, I started making $21.90, like out the gate. I made $21.90 an hour, and that was good money. At the time, and this was a while ago, y'all, don't come for me, but I started making good money. So then I just kind of start hearing things about nurse practitioner through my BSN. You know, I always talk about Chris Blackwell. Love you, Chris. I know you out there. But he always talked about being a nurse practitioner. And because I kind of like liked the way he moved, his swag and everything, I was like, I'm gonna be a nurse practitioner too. And guys, back in the day, being a nurse practitioner wasn't well known. We didn't really know what it was, but I just knew since Chris was doing it, I was gonna do it. So I started looking into what they made, and I was like, well, okay. They didn't make much more than an RN, but they made more, enough for me to seek it out. So then I got my master's, my nurse practitioner, and y'all, I like doubled my pay. It doubled just by getting another degree. So that was worth it for me. I was able to do whatever I wanted to do. I took my kids and my family on trips. I've been able to do, you know, whatever I wanted to do. So then I, you know, I don't know how it came about as far as getting my doctorate, but I just decided, you know, I was gonna do it. You know, I just knew I wanted to be Dr. Braxton. I know, it's vain, but hey, that's the truth. But anyway, so I was like, well, I want to be a doctor too. So I just knew I didn't have the time to go back to medical school, even though I did like look into programs like nurse practitioner to MD, but I didn't want to go overseas to do it. So anyway, I got my doctorate, my DNP. And you guys, at the time, I wasn't 100% sure I was gonna make any more money with it, but I just wanted it. And the minute I got it, guys, I got so many opportunities, so many people, like, I don't know, it's like a blast went out somewhere in the world and just stuff started falling in my lap. Teaching opportunities, publishing opportunities, book writing, just so many things that came to me. And my job even gave me a substantial raise. So to answer your question, yeah, school is worth it. And I'm even thinking, and I told you guys in another video, getting my psych is getting my psych is probably the next thing I'm gonna do, because I heard through the grapevine, and this may not be true, but I heard that they make a lot of money. Don't judge me, don't come for me. But like I said, I am a little money motivated. But with psych, I heard that you can really make like $175 an hour. So that's decent to me. I'm like, yeah, I'm here for it. Also, the other thing, that getting my degree and getting all these degrees and going to school this long, it's caused my life to be very, very flexible. You know, I can do whatever I want to do. Like, you know, I have a lot of jobs, you know, and I'm able to, which is probably not a good quality of life, but I'm going to tell you what I do anyway. But I'm able to, like, maybe like go on trips with my family. We'll go on cruises, and like at 5 in the morning, I'll wake up and I'll turn on my computer and I'll work from my computer and still be able to make some money. Now, I know you guys are going to leave me comments in the comment section, but hey, that's just me. That's how I am. That's just how I feel. And I just wanted to answer that question. Is all this school worth it? Yes, it's been worth it for me. And I hope that you found value in this video. If you like this video, just smash the like button. Leave me some comments. Try not to drag me too much, you know, but I know I'm gonna hear from some of y'all. Y'all just a little bit hating, but it's all good. I love you guys. Hey, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.